Plein air sketching in your sketchbook. It's vital, it's important. But are you hesitant? Where do you start? I have some helpful hints here, and stick to the end because I have a little something special there as well. I'm Terrilynn, TravelingArtista. The right tools, your favorite tools, are vital to plein air sketching. Some things can smudge in a sketchbook, like charcoal or graphite even. My favorite tools are listed in the description below. Get a sketchbook with good quality paper, I use Strathmore mixed media, Pentel pens, and a water brush, because when it's fresh, the ink from the pens will bleed with the water for a variety of values. Then put your pens and your sketchbook in a bag and leave it in the car ready to go. I also often include my journal, just in case. Then it's all there so I can stop by the road or wherever I am and get into that sketchbook. Sketching and drawing are a foundation to everything, especially to prepare for painting. Here, the master reference is John Singer Sargent. Brilliant master. His line and value, texture and rhythm. He always did preliminary sketching for his portraits and especially for his own enjoyment in plein air. He loved getting outside. Now, get to your location, get out, walk, and look around for a bit of inspiration, then grab your bag and just do it. Sketch. Good or bad, it doesn't matter. The process is what is important. Good morning. Here I am on the coast of Maine, out to sketch. One of the best things you could ever do. You get out in nature and you get a fresh eye. I didn't bring my mic this morning, so I'm not going to talk a lot. I'll do voiceovers. Now you're out sketching. While you're doing it, enjoy the varied art elements of line, value, texture and movement, rhythm. Don't try to be perfect. It's a sketch. It's an exercise processing the information about the subject to get familiar with it. Keep little notes on the side to help you remember how it all felt in that moment. Sometimes, the faster you go, the more speed, you get more surprises. More of your inner artist comes out in the work. Unusual values, expressive lines, who knows? Magic. What's next? Choose your favorite sketch, not necessarily your best, and then play with thumbnails of color. You can find so many ways of experimenting with color. It's exciting, and it gives you an idea of where to go eventually for your finished painting. Try the painting. Enjoy the whole gamut of the sketching experience, from start to finish. You never know what's going to happen, and it's the freshest way of expressing yourself in art. Please subscribe so you can catch my next instructional video. I've taught for over 40 years, all levels, all ages, so I'm sure you'll find a little tidbit that will be useful to you. Now, for that little something special that I promised at the beginning, in the description below, where I list my favorite sketch tools, I include the links to the manufacturers. Also be aware you can find them in many online stores by just doing a search. If you can't find these specific ones, try whatever tools you have at hand. That's what I did for years, until you find what suits you. Now, get sketching! And please, don't forget to subscribe.